Welcome to V-La-Nessa's world. It's your girl. Lifestyle vlogs about her day. She's sweet as pearls. It's your girl.
Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. This is your girl V-La-Nessa. I'm here to start off the vlog. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you're old, share the video, like it, comment down below, interact with each other, interact with me, and yeah, let's start off this vlog. I don't know what this week is going to bring, but you are up to date. The last video that I posted was yesterday, and I started one today, so you're up to date. The one before was like a couple days in the back, but yeah, I am on track now. We are on track now, so let's see what this week has for us. Now I start working at 2. It is 1:45, and I intentionally came out the house to start off the vlog, talk to you guys, and just keep the ball rolling. I am off Tuesday. Today's Sunday, as I said before, but we're planning to go out with the girls. I may plan. I'm gonna see what the girls want to go. Obviously, we're going to eat. The other day we went to crab. Some lucky crab, something, and I tried to do a whole reel, and guys, would you believe that I accidentally deleted the whole reel after I finished it? It looked so good. It was like perfect, and I deleted. But nevertheless, I'm going to do it again. You live and you learn, and I definitely learned from that. So yeah. Tonight I'm working in the Hummingbird as a server. The last 2 weeks I've not been getting good shift. Next week, still no good shift. Just the pool, and I hate the pool. Like, I hate being in the sun. I hate like going back and forth from the pool to the restaurant. Like, I hate it so much. Right now I'm just wondering like if I made the right choice, because I wanted to stay in Jamaica. Bestie wanted me to stay, and I chose to come up because I'm like, you know what, I never planned for this, and I'm going to just make some money, save it towards our future, and here I am, and it seems like it don't make no sense. Well, the season will pick up yet, as what Bessie says, so we'll see. I'm going to drive out and see if I can go and get a good parking spot. It was raining this morning. I got up and I washed, and I just catch up on some YouTube videos. So I'm gonna go in for work, so I'll talk to you guys later. Today is Sunday, and I finally get a Sunday off. I'm actually right now watching church. It is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. And I'm also cooking. So right now I'm shredding my cabbage to make vegetable. The oxtail is pressuring using my roommate thing to pressure it. Never used it before, so let's see if it works. And the peas outside is cooking, so I don't feel like I want to go in the kitchen today, because every time I go in the kitchen you have one bag of people big my food, and I already have somebody who already break my food, so I need to cook for the week, because the past few days I have not been eating properly because I have not cooked, so I need to cook and store it for the week. Right now I'm watching Natasha, what's her name? Vanessa Natasha vlogs, a recent vlog coming up on the HW program. The oxtail almost done. The instant pot, I should say, He's doing a really good job. I put it there for 20 minutes and it's already tender. So, no, 20 minutes? 40 minutes and it's already tender. Yeah, but I put it on for another 20 minutes because, I want it to be falling off the bone. Yeah, the peas almost cook. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the wings, but I do have wings. The thing is, I just don't want to go in the kitchen. I'm going to continue to watch her vlog while I wait on the instant pot to finish pressure the oxtail. And then I already did my vegetable as you see in the previous clip, and wait on the rice and season up the pot. After I did all of that, then I'll decide if I'm going to do the wings. The wings is already thawed out, and I just wanted to french fry. I don't know. With me, I always have to have like some chicken on a Sunday. So if I'm doing like oxtail or mutton or pork, I always have to have chicken. Yeah, and I don't really like fish on a Sunday unless it's breakfast. That's how I grew up. Only time we had fish was during the week or for breakfast for Sunday, and it just seems weird having fish for Sunday dinner, especially rice and peas. I think fish is supposed to be with white rice, food, or bread or bun or something. Yeah, but I'll pick up back with you in a bit. I'm not going anywhere today. Yeah, you guys want me to do a vlog and I literally have nothing to do, and I am being forced because of you guys telling me to just vlog. Anyway, today it seems like I'm just bench watching Vanessa Natasha because I've missed a few of her vlogs. So I watched the most recent one and then I'm just continue watching all of them. And if I watch it already, it's fine because, girl, let me tell you this, if you're watching this, your video is tea and I love that. It's nice. Right now they're doing tubing and I really want to do that with Bestie soon. Yeah, but for now the oxtail is cooked. I am seasoning up the rice pot, and right now I'm going to fry some wings. Not really fry it, I'm just gonna get it a little crispy and then add sauce to it. That's what I feel for it. Not hot yet, so I just come to update you. Yeah, that's basically it. I don't know why I'm all up in your face, but yeah, I come to update you. I can't wait to go back to Jamaica because there's so much things to do, and I just can't wait to start my life all over again and start it from beginning. Like, this program takes a lot away from you, and especially if you don't have like your partner going on the same program, you're not working towards the same thing. It's kind of, so I can't wait to go back to plan my future. You never press yeah, that happened to me. That happened to me when I went to Walmart the other day. I tell the girl to record me while me act a fool, and every time I press it to record, she unpress it. Alright? Thinking that she's pressing it and nothing was recording. So yeah. Natasha, I feel your pain. Yeah.
Okay then, darling.
I'm almost done cooking. I just washed the rice. I'm gonna put it in the pot outside, and I also just finished the wings. What I did, because the thing is, we don't have an oven, we don't have a big stove or anything like that, so to even fry chicken or anything like that, I would have to go into the main kitchen, and I just don't feel like going in there. So what I did do was to air fry the chicken so that it get crispy and brown, and then cook down sauce and put it in there. So yeah, it looks good. Let me show you. So this is it. It looks kind of weirdish, but it's really juicy. Yeah, that's that. Don't judge the look, it tastes really good. The oxtail is ready, the vegetable is ready, it's just the rice we're waiting on, and then after that I can just relax. This is the first time in a long time I actually stayed home, because every day off I have my roommate have the same day off, and Yes, I always just go on the road or find something to do. Now today is the day I can just chill in my room. I don't need to go in the kitchen. I don't need to do nothing. Yeah, so it feels refreshing. So I'm almost done. It is now, I just talked to my father. It is now 12:26. So I have like 3.5 hours left till she come. Or just 5 hours, 4 hours, yeah, 4.5 hours until she come. So I'm just gonna wash up that air fryer, bring it back in the kitchen, and carry this all the stuff that I need to bring back in the kitchen so that I don't need to go on the road. I did buy tin milk just in case tomorrow I want to make porridge. I'm done cooking and I'm about to share Bestie plate. Which is my plate. I asked if he wanted food. I know that he missed my cooking, so I'm gonna share it, take a picture and send it to him and say enjoy. And I'll enjoy it for him. Yeah. So I'm about to share my plate and I'm going to do it. See if I can do it some fancy ways. It's been a while, you understand? So yeah, let's go share that plate. So I'm gonna put it in here. It's supposed to be fold, but it's too much and I'm not gonna do it. So let's hope it form out properly. It did.
Shadows gone with summer skies pulled me in under its eyes. A new city to get lost in. Always wanted to see Austin. Heard you running round again. Thought about when we first began. I was maybe 23 and you were kind of old for me.
Guys, I can't wait to have this. Can't wait. So I'm just gonna eat this right now and tell you how it tastes. Yeah, so here you go, bestie. Enjoy your meal. I'll taste it for you. I'm so excited. It's been a while I had a good meal.
Sitting on the porch somewhere downtown, just watching hours float around. We were careless. Wish I could care less now. Always driving out and leaving the car 'cause we took too much whiskey at the bar. We were careless. Wish I would care less now. Borderlines, they hand us signs. Things weren't meant to work this time, and I'm fine with the fact. Start to call my friends back.
Moment, thoughts of you run through my head. I realize that your heaven sent. I think you're truly something special. There's no one like you around. Yes, I really like what you done to me. I really like what you done to me, babe. I can't really explain.
Make a light of the dark. Walk around 1,000 parks and one
Good morning, guys. Going to work in the pool today, as you see, based on the uniform. Do I want to work at the pool? No. So we just reached. We went to. Where did we go yesterday? We went to do our nails yesterday. I did a reel. It's on TikTok. And we also went to the mall. That wasn't the initial plan. We wanted to go to Georgia Aquarium, but we didn't wake up too late and it was too late to just go. And thank God we didn't go because it rained like crazy. So right now I'm just gonna clock in and set up the venue. I'm wearing shorts because they say it's not like I need to go back and forth. And the thing is, I don't really like attention, so that's the reason why I don't really wear the shorts that often. I'm gonna clock in now and go to work. Talk to y'all soon. I've been here from morning, nothing's been going on. Slow, slow, slow. I have 2 hours to go and I just can't wait. We can't wait. Like I feel working here at the pool. If they schedule me like 3 times next week again, I'm gonna flip. Honestly, I've been holding it, but I'm gonna flip because it's just unfair and it makes sense to just scam me hard. People there here know, but nobody now buy nothing. Everybody just come for relax. Like this pool is just for relaxation. So it's a little bit later. It's around 6:54, almost 7 o'clock, and I'm going to a birthday party. It's not really a party. It's just a little vibes. So I'm going to the York House. I'm actually waiting on an African girl. You know, she's gonna come with me. As I said, it's not really a party. It's just a little chill moment. So they jerk chicken, and I think they're roasting fish. I have a grey hair. And this is not my hair. Yeah, so they're roasting fish and so forth. So I am hungry, but I was planning that I was gonna go to like a Chinese restaurant and get something to eat, because all I had for morning was porridge. I got up early this morning, look about oats porridge, so that's all I had. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to York House and vibe for a bit, and then come back home and relax for work tomorrow. Tomorrow I think I work at 2. Yeah, I work at 2 tomorrow, so I can rest. Yesterday was a good day. I didn't vlog. I didn't bring the camera. I just went out to the girls. It wasn't. We knew that we was gonna go on the road, but we didn't plan exactly where we were gonna go. The option was between a trail rail thing or aquarium. But when we got to the nails salon, it was 3 of us. We didn't set an appointment, so we had to wait a little bit. And the fact that we left late, we didn't leave like 8 o'clock, so we were like, we don't want to go all the way to Atlanta and we don't have enough time, so we to go to the mall instead. I didn't plan on spending any money, but the good thing is that I spent less than $100, and it's towards clothes that I'm actually going to want eventually, because I'm trying to change my wardrobe to something more modest and formal setting. So I went to Old Navy and I got some of those clothes. Not only that, I got shirts like this, so if I want to do like a quick run, and it's the reason why I have it on right now. And I don't want to be dressy but still look good. Yes, I got 3 of this shirt in Route 21 and so forth. Just want to update you, it rained crazy yesterday, and since being in the state, I think this is actually the first time I see lightning and I hear thunder. Like I hear thunder before, but to the effect that I heard it yesterday, it was so crazy. And yeah, but it was a good day. So I just come to just update you, and if you have any questions for me, like I can answer in the next video, please to drop them in the comments down below so that we can interact in the other video and be more, yeah. And thank you all for your continuous support. Thank you for everything. You guys keep me going, even though like week like this when I feel like I don't even have much in the vlog, and someone will always come and say, hey, I love your vlogs. And yeah, so big up on yourself. Thank you so much, and just stay tuned for more. Yeah, so I'll talk to you a little later. Good morning, guys. I have work at 2. I'm going to bring someone from the wine garden, let them go and have their lunch, and then I'm going to go to my main location and set up to start work. But the thing is, today is supposed to be thunder and rain, and I really wanted to work up there tonight, but I don't think we're going to be able to because of the rain. Nevertheless, I know that they're going to tell us to go up and set up, and it might be slow because if it rains, it's going to be a little bit chilly upstairs. The guests won't want to go up there and sit in the wet and the cold while they have indoor venues, if you understand. So I think it's going to be pretty slow, even though they have music. Yeah, I haven't worked at venue. I think it's been 2 weeks, I've been most at the pool, and as I said before, I just hate it. And I'm waiting for my schedule, and tonight the schedule will be posted, so I'm just waiting on that because anyhow, I had a lot planned to do this morning because I know that I have the morning off. But I don't know if I depression or moodiness or just my emotions why I don't feel like doing anything. Because I wanted to cook, but I didn't take out any meat to thaw out so that I can season it and cook it. So that's out of the picture. I wanted to wash, but I just didn't find the energy to get up and go and wash. And I wanted to go to Walmart because I haven't been grocery shopping in probably over 2 months now. And you may ask, how am I surviving? Based on the little things that I have here, I've been feeding on, which is kind of good because normally I would do this big shopping and not eating anything. So I told myself this time around I'm not going to do a big shopping where I think I may feel for this and I don't want to feel for it and don't have it. And then I eventually don't feel for it, but have it and have it in abundance. So I told myself this season I'm not going to do that. I'm going to buy the necessary stuff, and if I do feel for something, then I can go and buy it. Because you have a supermarket right there, even though it's expensive, but it doesn't make sense to buy stuff. Like every season I would buy spaghetti, a lot of macaroni because I do love pasta, and I eventually don't use it. But the good thing is that I always try to bring it with me or put it in a barrel to send down. But what about the meat kinds? I cannot bring that. So at the end of the season, I'll be trying to cook out everything, and people throwing like parties and giving stuff towards the parties and so forth. And it's kind of waste. It's a wasteful act, and I want to stop that. I think I'm going to do it still because I do have time. A short form content for TikTok and Instagram Reels because I think I kind of like it. I think I like it. I did one the other day and it's not getting a lot of attraction, but I think it's good, if you understand. So I want to do one today, and it's pretty much like a motivation with a little twist to it, a little humor to it. So I want to continue doing that. And yeah, so I just want to come update you because I've not been doing a lot in this vlog, even though I've been doing a lot in my life. Oh my god. But yesterday they had a little cookout, not really like a little get together because it was someone's birthday and then someone is leaving, so they combined both persons together. So we went to York House, as I said yesterday. Got jerk chicken, rice and peas and vegetable, and the soup was busting. The jerk chicken sauce spicy. Alright, I didn't even take pictures of it or anything because the thing is, when I went there I wanted to catch Walmart because what do you call it, the AC vent, what's it called, the thing that purified the air. Yeah, that was really dirty and I wanted to change it because I went to Walmart the other day. I bought it, but it was the wrong size and I had to return it and get the right size. So when I reached, I got the receipt from the guy because the guy actually bought that and something that he wanted to fix his car. So he just bought everything in one. So he had the receipt and he had something to return. So I had to go and get the receipt from the guy and then bring it to Walmart. Not only that, they wanted me to buy water and ice. So I just rushed to Walmart, then rushed back there, and then we came back here because they moved the venue from down there to up here. And they also wanted to go to iDive, which is like a little, what would you say? It's a little pub. Yeah, something like that. It's a little pub that's in Errands, and that attracts a lot of people. Like if you want to do a little party, because it closed later, they sell food, they have pool and like games and so forth, and they always do like games night and these stuff. So they wanted to go there, but we didn't go there. We end up staying here, and it was just a little chill moment, not really party whatever. So that happened last night, and I think I went to my bed like 1-2 o'clock. Yeah, because I had to twist out my hair and so forth. But yeah, that's that. I'm gonna see if I can go and do my short form content right now. Just did another reel and I feel satisfied. It's like a motivation twist kind of thing. Let me show you. They'll see your stomach before your story, your weight before your worth, your mistake before your mission. But here's the twist. What they laugh at now, they'll learn from later. You're not falling off, you're falling into purpose. So let them whisper, let them judge. Just don't let them stop you. Because you're the combat they didn't see coming. Keep going. I love it. I like it. I like it. I like it. So guys, if you want to see, go and follow my Instagram and go follow my TikTok, because that's where I'll be posting them. It's going to be like motivational, kind of twist, kind of funny, kind of, real life situation, but with a little twist. Yes, so go and follow TikTok and Twitter, TikTok and Instagram. Yeah. Anyway, it is 12:42. I need to get to work at 2 o'clock, so I'm going to go and get ready because my hair is bad. And guys, I cut my hair. I cut my hair so short, baby. Yeah, I cut it because it was too stringy and we ain't gonna do that, right? So let's go get ready for work. Ready for work. It is raining and I'm working in an outside venue, and I don't know how to feel about that because it's gonna be slow. But guess what? When you work with these people, they're gonna tell you to come in, even though they say that it's raining. And when it get unbearable, then they send you home. But I'm going in a little bit earlier because I have to break the person that works in another venue. So I'm leaving for work right now. Yeah, so let's go. I was so excited to come back and work because you're going to work a little 1 year, whatever. But these days it's like we're not making anything, and not only that, I just don't feel fulfilled being here, and we don't want one of the things there because I'm man. Because no, that's not it. I'm just not being fulfilled, and I feel like there's more to my life and I'm not maximizing my potential. So that's it. So every time I'm supposed to get up and go to work, I feel like discouraged, like I don't want to go. Like I don't want to go. You see that I'm gonna just stop in the road. I thought me just complain about money and everything. Just want me to get in trouble. But anyway, I'm going to try and see if I can park around here. And here is the police. No, luckily I wasn't speeding right away. Yeah, but let's see if I can park around here. The place look busy. Guys, I'm supposed to reach work 10 o'clock. It is now 10:40. And look at that now. That thing back up the way, so I have to drive the other way. Because they're taking out the rubbish. But they oversleep. And this is why I always try to set alarm. Because me oversleep. And I didn't even go to my bed late. But so I go. Working the pool this morning. It is raining, so I don't expect a lot of traffic today. They almost closed the pool because when I woke up, I saw a message from the manager saying that they're contemplating closing the pool. And I should hold off for a minute, meaning I should stay home because they're wondering if they should open the arts. And if they open the arts, honestly, I don't want to work there. I don't want to work the arts. You know, some should drive this, so sure. I phone no fault, you know. Phone no fault. Yeah, chat and pass the turn. So I could drive so and then go down so and then go back around so. Hey guys, so today is my day off and I have some stuff to do. One of which I have to go and pick up a package where all the packages go at the HR office, and then after that I need to bring in some, what do you call it, uniform, because they changed the uniform and I had gave my manager to bring it back and he didn't. I saw it in the office for quite a long time, and yesterday I just said, you know what, I'm securing my money, because once you return your uniform you get back your deposit for the uniforms, and I want to secure my money, so I'm going to bring that back today. And then after that I'm going to go to the mechanic because the car been having some issues. I said that in the last video, and I feel like I just want to sort them out today so that I can have a peace of mind when driving the car. So yesterday and today was good, but before that, the last couple of days the car did have issues starting. Like, it starts now, but I have to like ring the key, and I feel it's because of the amount of water that's been capturing someplace. But anyway, he said that it was a thermostat and all those stuff, so I'm gonna bring it to him for him to fix it. Just can't park, so I have to go park. Go back around. Alright, so I'll go up the sun turn and come back and park there. So the town look a little busy. Yeah, so my basically said that I should try get a second opinion as it relates to the vehicle, because it doesn't feel like that's the issue, and just get a second opinion. So I'm gonna go to get a second opinion first, and then if it doesn't make sense, then I go to the mechanic that our original was going to. And even if it makes sense, I will still go, because I don't tell the man to buy the parts them or whatever. So I'm going to go and just make him know send me out sense. Town kinda busy-ish.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
There's so much police in the town this year. There was not so many last year. So much police.
Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Testify for you. I do that 3 4 times 6 midnight. Testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking, now it's for me. I ain't got
Alright guys, so I just got the package. Now I'm off to the warehouse, the uniform warehouse. So I think I have it in the bag, the pink bag. That I know it's mine because I'm the only one that used that bag, and I'm going to bring it back because I'm defending my money, as I said before. And I think I also want to get the rest of my wine garden shirt. I didn't get all of that, so I'm just going to go right now. It's actually past where I live, but not too far. Then after that, I'll make my way down off the mountain to get a second opinion and then go to the man. Well, I think I'm gonna go home first and open the package so that you guys can see what I bought. I'm going to also do a TikTok reel to see if I can make some of the commission off of these stuff, because listen, I bought a TikTok jumpsuit the other day and I didn't get to do a proper video because my roommate was there, and I was just eager to open it, and not only that, I wanted to wear it to a little gathering, so I didn't get to do a good video of that. But look at the snake in the road. But now, thank God she's not there and I'm home alone. I'm just gonna go home and do the video, and then later on I'll edit it for TikTok. How my sound good, right? Yeah. So I'm almost there. It is 1:05, I think. Yeah, it's 1:06 now, and the man is coming off work 2 hours, so I think I have enough time that I can route it. See, I reach already, you know? I reach. I have enough time that I can go to the mechanics or do whatever I want to. Alright, let's go, guys. So I got the plaid shirt just now, and I got two. They didn't have the size, so I just got one, and I think I'm just gonna keep that large one and see if these medium ones fit. And I'm also gonna change my pants because I'm too tight. They're too tight, so I'm going for them right now and come back. So I told her I'll come back in just a minute because I just live up the road. So I'm going for that right now. I'm so glad, I feel so accomplished. The least little thing that I do, I feel so accomplished. Because I collect my packages, I exchange my uniform, and now I'm going back to exchange some more uniform so that I can be more uniformed when I go to work. You're off.
Yeah, you good?
You just wake up, look at your eyes swell. Alright, so I've got the pants. I thought it was 5, but it's just 4. Probably just go to the laundry to let them press it because it's gonna be fresh new pants and I want the seam. I want it to be wash and press, so I may just go to the laundry after I collect it, depending on how the pants look, because if you know, I don't like to press. Your girl don't like to press, and we're not doing that. Why press when there's, you know what, let me put on my seatbelt because police always drive this road. Yeah, but your girl don't like to press, so yeah, I don't like to press, so might as well just carry it to the laundry. I have up until Friday to collect it, so if they said that they cannot give it to me today, I will say okay, let's do one and I'll collect it another day. So and then they have from today to tomorrow to do it anyway, so yeah. But I'm on my way back, and then after I pick it up, I'll come back, okay? Just want to show you the progress. Alright, what did I tell you? I tell you I have to go to the laundry regardless, because these are, it's not M nor stitched or anything like that, because what they do, they buy it pre-M so that if you have like a taller person, it can fit them, and like if you have a shorter person, they can cut it down to their size. So I have to do that, which I don't mind, because the laundry do a really good job in washing and pressing the pants. When the pants press one time, for the rest of the season I don't have to press it because the seam stand up, and that is what I like, the fact that I don't have to So I'm gonna go to the laundry right now. You see, that never in my plan, you know. I have to go to the laundry, and after I go to the laundry, I just have to go straight down the mountain. But I wanted to do the video. And I think I'm gonna do the video same way. Yeah, man. I'm gonna do it same way. So, off to the laundry right now. Look at me driving without seatbelt. I can't seatbelt ticket money. I don't even have. Is it to slow me and drive because I don't want that speeding ticket? Yeah. I drove me and drive that slow, yes, because I don't like the slow driving, but and I don't want to pay any fine because I don't have it. When we see that I don't really buy anything on Amazon, like the only package that you saw me was the beginning of the season. Whoever's working today seems like they're making money because the town is busy. That's good because the town hasn't been busy in a long while. Let's hope I can get a parking spot because these days there's no parking. It doesn't make any sense. What did I tell you? No parking. Oh, here's one. One and only. Thank you, Jesus. Right next to laundry. I believe say it 2 pants them short. No sir. So I have to go back and change these two, and then she said that I cannot get them back tomorrow, but me I try to work on one. I'm gonna change these two. If anything, I just take back one of the old one so I can have it to wear. What is she doing? I also wanted to set an appointment. Alright, you know what? When I come back, I set the appointment. Jesus, I wanted to go set an appointment at the dentist. So I want to go quick back to the warehouse and then come back here and then set the appointment and then go about my business. Now it seems like I cannot make the video anymore, which is fine. I can make it tomorrow maybe. Hopefully my roommate is not off. My intuition was telling me to try it on and I didn't try it on, and this is what happened when I didn't try it on. I have to go back now. Damn. Luckily everything is not too far. I'm excited for my package because one of them is the mushroom coffee, and I want to do like a good video on that because I can make commission if I make videos and tag the product so that you guys can buy it. Yeah. Who's these Jamaicans riding? And then now there's traffic. Nobody wants to go around them because they're afraid of them. Why? It doesn't make any sense. Oh, it's O'Brien and who? O'Brien and somebody else. They're not going around them, you know? Where they going though? For them come off of the road, make you carry them past them. Go on here, man. Overtake them. Where them want go? Let's see where else they want go. No? Yep, where else they want go? Mark and O'Brien. I want to hold up traffic for.
Oh, sorry.
You see me a pedal and I move. That what I did was to take back one of my pants, and I took back one of my pants and I got a new one. So I'm gonna bring this back now to the laundry and then see if I can make it down the mountain. Because right now it's almost 2 and the man said I come out 3 o'clock. So I reach at least 3:30. You know, I could have still make the video. But tomorrow I make set the appointment for the dental, yeah, man. Yeah, man, tomorrow I set the appointment for that because I rather to make the video and be sure that my roommate is not there, so because I'm sure today that she's not there, so I can make the video today. But I know that I can go to the dentist's appointment and book the thing tomorrow, rather than to put off the video for tomorrow and then she's off tomorrow. You understand? Yeah. So when I was going there, I saw two of the guys picking up uniform because they have banquet events going on and they want to go and work. So they come to pick up uniform. But yeah, look at them. Really like what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. Should I just go to the dentist place? I feel like I might go to the dentist place though. Let's go book it. This police just driving around. I might just go over to the dentist place and make the appointment. Might as well. I'm so close anyways. Might as well. So I'm just gonna go over there. It's right here. Let's go over there and book the appointment. I'm chasing beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. Alright, so that's out the plan because they're at lunch until 2. And I could have waited anyway. Would I just wait? No, could I just wait? I just 5 minutes. I don't know why I thought it was earlier. Could I just wait? What'd say, bro? I'll email them. I don't know why I thought it was later. Just 5 minutes. Alright, so I'm gonna go home now and make the video and then head out. Don't need one thing I like about foreigner, you don't need to feel pretty up, you know. You just put on clothes and go on about your business. And that I like. Even though in Jamaica you can do it, but when you're in Jamaica, your business, you care too much about what people think about you. And that's my issue. I should stop caring. Yep. But up here, around this tights and this oversized shirt, my old Crocs that my mom gave me like years ago, probably 4 years ago. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go home and make the video. Yeah. I need to make like no Tesla, no. Then the insurance company say, you lick a what? You lick a what? A Tesla? You think me I follow you?
You video it all ago?
Yeah.
Eh?
It video, yeah.
Yes. Are you yourself in that video? Eh?
Yeah,
Go on,
video.
send me to him.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You video before I pass him?
No, me don't know if you catch it.
What's going on? You catch it?
Me don't know if you catch at the party, just not video it on now.
Alright. Oh, I'm still on, brother. Let me see it. I never stole them.
Later, cause me go back on here. I did the video, I went to the laundry, pick up the clothes. I did try to go to the dental place, but they were closed, which never really made no sense. I could have just waited. Yeah, but I did the video nevertheless. And now I'm gonna go down the mountain. And as I said before, I want to see if I can get a second opinion. Yeah, so let's go. And I'm going to vibe. I haven't vibed in a long while. I feel like a love song is my forte now. This is the song I'm starting off with. Anyway, let's go.
Finally, we are here now. I pray for you. Oh, I cried for you.
Touch me on my face.
Kiss me on my
Alright, bestie, this is for you, okay?
bones of you.
Ran through my head. I think you're truly something special.
Let's stay
Together, you and me, girl. There's no one like you around. Cause I really like what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I really like what you done to me. I'm so into you. So I find a place. It's a tune-up, alignment, brakes, AC, oil. I can do everything. So I'm gonna see if I can talk to somebody and get something done for free. just to check, just to do whatever, to let them tell me, diagnose it, and tell me the cost. All right, that's all I want to know. So let's see if we can do that today, or else I'll just have to go to the mat. Yeah. Why does it smell so like somebody picking their car? Sure. I carpet, you know, the carpet. Anyway, I'm gonna come back Monday if I have the day off. What's Monday like? Can't come Monday. Well, I'm not even know if I can come Monday, but I'm gonna see if I can come back Monday and do what like. Let's get a second opinion, but I want to bring it to him right now to fix whatever needs to be fixed, because as I said before, I don't like how it sounds. Man, I stink bad. He seems honest, so I want to go here next time. But he's not available. It would be nice if it was available. It is not.
I'm with demons. All the time I was outside, I was creeping. It was love
I'm gonna get Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna try that new flavor milkshake, which is the peach. We're in peach season, so I'm gonna try that. Yeah. Hello.
Can I get a name for the order?
Vanessa.
What can I get for you?
Can I get a peach milkshake?
Anything else for you?
Is it nuggets?
Alright. You're all good to go. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
My pleasure.
Yeah, so I'm gonna. Alright, so the man just messaged me, said that the part's not come yet. We're already reaching that town, so I'm gonna tell him that I'm already in the town. He said that we may have to wait. I called the parts store to see if they have the parts. I ordered for it and they misplaced them. That doesn't make any sense. So I just saw 2 other places. I'm gonna stop at the 2 other places because really and truly it may not be the issue that he's saying that is the issue. And Bestie said I should always try to get a second opinion. So I see 2 other places and I'm gonna stop right there and try them because maybe a sign, because I really actually don't have $500 to spend. That's the estimate he gave me for the parts and the labor. So maybe it's a sign. Because the first man he was saying that the battery is expensive. The battery is $200. And I don't know if me have rich man mentality, but I don't feel like that expensive. And he's saying $200 is expensive. That means that the labor would be cheaper. But I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to try this peach milkshake and see if I can get in the mood. And then after which I go to Walmart because I think I really need to go to Walmart anyway. Maybe it's best because the car actually start acting fine. But anyway, when I get the milkshake, I'll let you know. Alright, so I got the milkshake and I got the food. I'm just gonna eat it right now because I didn't order a lot. I just ordered nuggets, as you all heard. And I always like to eat my fries now because I don't like it when it's cold. So let me taste it right now. I know enough about. So the other day when I went to do my nails, we bought milkshake and the lady was like, "Did you try the peach one?" I was like, "I was going to, but I didn't." I was like, "I'm sticking to the evil that I know," and she was like, "It's really good." So I'm gonna try it. Nice. And you actually have peach in it. No, actually have peach in it. Not bad. But he just messaged me and said that he's gonna see if he can locate it somewhere else. But in the meantime, I'm going to eat and then drive back down, see if I can get another opinion from somebody else. If it's even to just check the vehicle to see if there's anything wrong with it. They're going to do upholstery, so I guess in motor vehicles and those stuff, like they cover the seats, them and so forth. So we have to go to the other place. If that not do, then we'll just go Walmart and down here. So it's on, there's a bunch of things that's happening, but I just want like an estimate of.
Some of them it's the evap leak detection unit, but most of the repairs is replaced gas cap.
That's the...
Yeah. Did you just fill up with gas? No. Okay. And then the other ones like catalyst system efficiency, that's your catalytic converters. And usually at this mileage, that just means that they're starting to not work as good as they used to. A lot of people will just take them off, gut them out, and deal with the light being on. Or they make little extenders you can put in to turn the light off. So that I wouldn't worry about too much, those two. But the ones that would be the worst would be this cylinder 3 misfire, and there's another one for cylinder 2. Be spark plugs, it could be ignition coils. Swing by or give us a call and we can get you set up with an appointment and get it all done.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Have a good one. You too.
Alright, so now Bestie can relax because the price that the man gave me is actually accurate. Because he was saying it was too expensive. I'm like, whatever. But I'm gonna call Bestie and tell Bestie. I'm glad that he's actually looking out for me, you know? He's a good man. He's a good man. But let me see if I can call him and get him. He's busy because he's going to be busy over the weekend, so I'm glad I got a second opinion. So I'm gonna go to Walmart because I have some money that I want to change. And I need to go back to Walmart to do shopping anyway. Because I already done asked my roommate if she need anything and she said yes. So once I'm finished, I still have to go back to the thing. Yeah, so that's the story of my life.
I told her to keep putting something in every couple months and keep all that away. It's called Cataclean. You can get it at the parts store. You just put it in your gas when you fill up. Have you been running E85 or no? No, you can use it, see?
Yeah, I eat that one.
But it's going to make it act like that. It's going to make it act like crap when you use the E85. Because it's not as fuel efficient. It's cheaper, but you burn it faster. And so you have to completely drain, get everything out of the tank. Like, you run that. Like, you have to be empty when you switch over to it. Like, you have to it's going to take a couple fuel cycles to get back to it. Have you been running E85 or gasoline? Then one day, what time do you usually get off work?
In the night.
If you can drop it off on like a Friday night, I know Friday night, you know, but then I can mess with it all day Saturday, and then you can come get it Sunday. I don't feel any water in there right now. It's supposed to be a little drain right here.
God, see and know, so I never really have no money to spend. So, thank God, I think. Because he went, as I told you, I went to do another check with someone else. This man said that he picked up the thermostat was bad and the misfire situation. And now the thermostat light gone. So I don't really have to change that. And this always happens when it comes on to cars that's smart. So the least little thing, something come up, if you understand. So he's saying that he's picking up a lot of things, and what I need to do, and it could be that I'm using different gas. So what I need to do is to stick to one gas, because I was using 85 and then I use 87 and then I use 89. Yeah, so stick to one gas, which is 87, and I should buy the thing to put in the gas to practically clean the gas. And somebody told me that, someone had told me, and I didn't do it, so I need to do that now. So I'm going to run the car on E and then just stick to one gas and buy the thing. I'm going to Walmart right now so I can buy it at Walmart, and then when I full the gas tank, I put it in. It's called I don't know, but I'll find it. I record him so I can find it. all day on the road. Anyway, let's play some music here, man. Someone name say, why should I drive so? You can't drive better.
We always did makeup as long as we stick together. We'll climb higher, higher.
Feel like the first time we met. And when I told you I love you, we still,
and we still talk on the phone for hours when I'm away. You still write letters and send me flowers every other day. We go through problems just like everybody else, but I really don't mind.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to try the mushroom coffee. Yes, I'm going to try the mushroom coffee. It comes with 2 spoons, so I guess these are for measuring. But before I try it, I'm going to read the ingredients, like how because this is the first time using it, and it said it tastes like coffee. It tastes good. So for the 2 bags, I get 60 servings. So 1 bag should give me 30 cups, and then the creamer is just for 1 bag. I have the jar, but I may not use the jar because I'm on the program, and yeah. So, and it's handcraft too. So make your routine a ritual with our ritual set. Stir scoops and stir your rice with our handcraft and sip on the mushroom magic. So you have the mushroom matcha. Yeah, you also have the mushroom matcha. I don't really like much matcha. You have the mushroom chai. I will probably try that one because I really love chai. How to prepare your rice. Add 1 tablespoon of rice into your mug, and I guess this is a tablespoon. Where is it? This thing is a tablespoon. I should think it should be a tablespoon. So add 1 cup of coffee in there, then you pour the hot water, then you stir with the spoon, and then you add creamer to taste. And I guess you should not add any sweetener or anything like that. Let's make this bad boy, okay? It tastes like coffee plus something else. Well, it tastes different. I'm not used to this taste, but I'm going to drink it because it said it's good for you. So Yeah. Well, now that I sweeten it kind of tastes a little bit better. What does it taste like? I don't know how to describe it. It kind of have a little chai taste to it. Yeah, I would recommend to sweeten it a little bit. I use honey, but yeah, I'm gonna try it out and let you guys know within when it finish. Hopefully I stick to it, because I am someone that don't normally stick to things. I think I'm just gonna throw the rest in here. What do you think? So yeah, I wish it had like a thing that the spoon can hold on, but we don't have that. So yeah, that's me trying the coffee. I shall drink it because I bought it and it costs like $40 something. But I don't know why people say it tastes good. Probably it tastes good to them, but not me. Yeah. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit, okay? Somebody never given a vlog last week, so I am pushing them to give you one tomorrow, and the video is going to be really long, the person said. And yeah, the person said that she have not finished editing. She need to put the final tunings, she need to switch some stuff around, she need to put the writing, the music, like there's so much to do, and today is Friday and she's working in the morning tomorrow. Fingers crossed. And the thing is, she don't like to post it late because she realized whenever she don't stick to her time, which is Saturday morning, she doesn't get good views. Because the last one, she released it Sunday, and if I did know, I would have just leave it until last week and post it the Saturday morning so that I can get my views. Yeah, so I'm gonna work on it tonight and see if you guys can get it. So thank you for your support, you know, for those who subscribed. Thank you for my D1 and my E1s. Big up on yourself. You know what to do. Share. Yeah. Tomorrow still, because the vlog started tomorrow. So next week I'm going to be more intentional. So this every week this girl said this and she not change. No man, she not changing. She just do peer promises. But I need to get out of the fear of vlogging in public. That's what I need to get out of. And because I realize that people who don't have the fear are doing so good. And not only that, I just need my own space. Yeah, I need my own space. But I just come to close off the vlog. I am supposed to work at 2. It's 1:35. I don't know why I go so early, but I want to go early because I want to get a parking spot, because they sent out a warning for ticket violation if we park where we're not supposed to park. And I'm trying to see if I can get one in where the pool is, because that's not so far. I don't have to walk too far, so I don't have to park where I'm not supposed to park. So I want to go early and go get a parking spot. Not only that, I want to break the person early so that I can go to my venue early. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go around and see if there's parking on the other road. You know, so could I probably go there, so yeah. But anyway, thank you for watching and see you next week. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe. And you know, I'm loving a long time. Big up on yourself.